Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change location, region, or country in Instagram app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes on these videos and write your comments after watching. So, let us get started with you. And open up the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your page. In order to switch to the professional dashboard. Because if you have a personal profile, a personal account, unfortunately you can't do that. You can only do it from a professional account. If you currently have a professional dashboard already, then disable it, so that you can now see how you can reconfigure your location and region. To do this, go to the three bars at the top, then Settings. Here, scroll down to the bottom and find the account type. Click on it and switch to Professional Account. Then you accept the terms and conditions. Click Continue. Now you will need to choose what your account will carry. For example, maybe it will be Beauty Sphere, or maybe it will be video, or like in my case, photographer. And click Next. And the next step, it is, you could say, the most important step. Here, as you can see, the default is creator, but you'll need to switch to business. And only then click Next. And here, friends, is where you'll be able to customize your location. Why did I say in the previous step? Because if you would have clicked creator, then there is no way to customize your geolocation, your location, region, or country there, because only your email or your phone number, where you can be contacted, can be customized there. So friends, as you can see here, you can customize your location. Click on it. And here you can choose a street address. For example, also city and country. And also the city code. When you go to city, you see the name of the city. Click on your city if you see it in the list. And then click on Done. And then click Next. Now you can finish. And right after you create a business account, you'll see that you'll have a little professional panel like this. And here, let's say if you move or at some point you decide to change, for example, your region or location, then you'll need to click Edit Profile, swipe down, and select a contact for information. And here, friends, you'll also be able to find your already specified geolocation or city-specific. And you can click on it and then change it to some other city and region. This is the way, friends, you will be able to change your location, region, or your country on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.